Mike G with the MDG Collections on hand. Today, ladies and gentlemen, New York City, 82 degrees, and it has definitely cooled down. It is supposed to rain today. I was gonna go to the city, but I'm not risking watching Genezilla and going down to Manhattan, and it's just gonna pour. 90% chance of rain, and I know with my luck, it's gonna happen. Alright, so that's funny right there. I had to pull over and show you guys that pink Mercedes. The camera's not doing it justice. Looks like a little lavender pink, so pretty unique. So en route right now to go see Martinez to get food, and I will be going to Bronx Auto Sport to see about this wrap, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so pulling up at my guy Martinez, and my guy Angelo is right around the corner over here, right over there. So definitely got to feed the body first, and then we'll jump back on the road. Alright guys, so Martinez was not there. He missed out on a huge tip, and Frankie ended up making a sandwich. So the tip went to Frankie, and Martinez missed out. Just keep her in sport. So when we get to Bronx Auto Sport and I talk to Malek, hopefully he can get me on his computer and we can come up with a decent design so I can show you guys kinda, or you know what? I can't show you guys, it's gonna be a secret, but we'll talk to him and see if his new shop is now ready to be filmed. Alright, pulling up to my guy Malek, and looks like the store is done. Yo, M! So that's my guy right there. Auto body. He's got the sign up. It's looking nice, man. Yo, M, you got it looking nice, man. You got it looking real nice.
How you doing, man?
Yo, that's my guy right here, man. Yo, you
Good,
guys. So it's my guy M right here. He's the owner. As you guys can see, the shop is coming along pretty well. So he's expanding, and you guys seen earlier videos where I pretty much was here, and now he's definitely expanding. So M, you got to tell the guys that story. So now what happened? So you got to listen to this story.
My dad is all the way in the Middle East. He sends me a video. He's like, yo, check this out. I look, I'm like, what? I know this dude, man. How you sending me the video all the way from back in the Middle East, and I'm here and I know the dude personally.
That's crazy,
Small
man.
world, right?
Yeah, crazy. So guys, so that's the support you guys are doing right now.
Yeah, you guys are doing a good job, man. Yeah, you guys are doing a good job.
Because the videos are getting suggested. So like I said, me and M, we go way back. What I'm gonna do is
that good content you posting up is getting around worldwide, man.
It's starting boom, and that's just a blessing.
Shock on the beats, shock on the beats, shock on the beats, shock on
Alright guys, so what we're thinking about doing right now is coming up with a wrap for the hood. I gotta see what me and my guy M come up with, but as you see, it's satin black right now. The roof up here, satin black. The car is dirty right now. It's supposed to rain tonight, so I'm not trying to wash it. But guys at J&B Body Works wrap the hood, but I'm here with the wrap keys, and I kind of want to change up the hood to be a little bit different. And the actual roof, I'm gonna have actually wears this satin black also. So M and I were gonna talk and see what we can come up with. So J&B Body Works, the guy at J&B Body Works did this. Once I take this off and we figure out what I'm gonna do, I want to get the roof also with satin. So, guys, I'm here at the Rap Kings. All right, you guys know Malek. You guys have seen plenty of videos that I've done here before. He did the shade plate. They installed my dash cam. They did my wife's HID lights. He installed my second shade plate. They put the decal in the back. So this is my guy. We go way back. So.
Shock on the beats, shock on the beats, shock on the beats, shock on
Okay, so the base colors here, guys. So you can just talk. My guy, Manny's behind the camera right now. He's gonna tell us a little bit about these raps. You know, you just see his hands. He's a camera shy guy. I'm not gonna put him on right now. So.
Then we also did it with.
These guys, as you guys know, are the Rap Kings. If you're looking to get your car wrapped, you definitely should come here. I've come here on numerous occasions to get things done in my car. These guys are the best in the Bronx. I'm telling you right now. So what he is doing, and Manny, break it down for the guys about how one time Malek told me about you have different wraps, different paper for different climates, like New York, Florida, the salt.
Yeah, we have the salt. We have extreme temperatures, like it'll be 115 degrees today, and in a couple of months from now, it'll be minus 10 degrees. You know, so we gotta have stuff that's versatile, that's really gonna handle all types of
the elements,
and the elements,
exactly.
And the conditions. Like you won't. In the summertime, it's not going to peel up on you. In the wintertime, it's not going to get brittle and start to flake off and break up in the car wash or anything like that. So we really use, material that's tested, stuff that has warranty on it from the manufacturer and from the distributor on, different levels of warranty. And then we also give a lifetime warranty on our particular installs. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. So.
All right, guys. So it's kind of loud in there, but auto body. They do auto body work here at Auto Sport, and they do wraps. They do installations on just about everything you can think of. So it's pretty loud in the shop right now. That's why I stepped out. But definitely come check these guys out. We spoke with Manny, Malek's cousin, and a real down-to-earth guy. Showed me around, but it was just so loud I couldn't really film inside. So outside right now, I'm just showing you guys the new prep room, the new side from the main spot room.
He does videos on YouTube, but they go worldwide. You know what I'm saying? Like some video he did, my pop sent it to me from the Middle East. You feel me? So he's doing some vlog, like he's driving by and he's vlogging. So he's gonna vlog you guys, and then we could even tag their page. They got a page where they do this. Is
logos in the front, basically.
Okay. You wanna do it up there? Or you wanna come down?
I can do it up here.
Okay, good. All right, guys. So this is one of the guys who installs paint booths, right? In body shops around the nation. He's one of the best in the business. All right, his guys, and this is what they do. He's gonna talk to you a little bit about what he does. We're gonna put up his information.
Elliot.
You guys twins?
Nah, that's my brother. We brothers.
Yeah. All right, man. So, all right, go ahead, bro. What's your name again?
Cool. My name is Elvis, man.
Elvis.
So my company is mtechautoinc. We're based out of New York City. We work 5 boroughs. We also go out of state. We're actually flying out tomorrow to Florida to do another installation. The companies that we mainly do is AccuDraft, which is this blue piece of equipment you see here. It's an AccuDraft spray booth. Right here's a double prep station. It's good for like sanding and body work. It keeps dust enclosed. So basically what we do, we manufacture, service, and sell this brand booth, AccuDraft. But we also work on any other brand booth out there. We got like almost 300 contacts, body shops that we've been to, doing work for them. We're a family ran business. These are all my brothers that work for me. You give us the time, we get it done. That's our motto. You give us the time, we get it done. You'll link me in the description or contact me, man. We get it done, you heard? Thanks.
Shock on the beats, shock on the beats, shock on the beats, shock on
All right, guys, just left Bronx Auto Sport. Saw my guy Malek. We discussed the wrap that we want to do on Genezilla. He gave me a pretty creative idea. As you can see him with the blue tape doing his thing, working his magic, just envisioning a line, putting that blue line down so he can get a visual and show me what his vision was. And his idea was far more interesting than I could ever come up with. So I think I like his idea and I'm gonna go with it. He just came up with a little piece to add on to what I came up with to separate Genezilla from the rest. And I will be going back to him on next week. He will have the car for 2 days and he wants me to come back and film as much of the wrap so I can show you guys what they do there and chop it up how I want. So I'll be seeing him. Also, my guy Elvin, great guy. Him and his brothers, they have a business. They do paint booths in body shops or wherever you want that paint booth. They're big on saving you energy and doing it the cost efficient way. So those are guys you want. I got to set them up with my guys at J&B Body Works. I think J&B is supposed to be expanding their body shop across the street, so they could probably use Elvin and his guys. You never know. And I put their actual Instagram up on the screen, and it will be in the description portion of this video along with my guy Malek's information. Genezilla gets up and goes. Let's hear this one, guys. Woo! All right, guys, so made it home from Auto Sport Bronx, and my guy Malek is one of the best guys in the business at what he does, and his crew and his guys are just simply remarkable. And that is going to do it for this upload. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna be a wrap.